Hi guys, you're most welcome back to the channel. I remain your guy Mr. Kenny, and in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how you can buy tickets both for flights and buses for traveling within the cities in Turkey online. I'll be showing you it today guys in this particular video. So if you are a new viewer to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you have already subscribed to the channel, I really do appreciate you so much. And now let's get it done. So first thing first, you have to open your Chrome browser like this one that I open here. So, and the first thing that you have to do is actually to type in your Chrome browser Uppbeat and just choose this one here, that is Uppbeat, and it will open to this. And in this page here, you have to choose the first link here. Click at the first link, not any other link, just click on this and it will take you to this side here. It will actually take you to this side, and in this side here you have four options here. There is one for bus, plane, car, and a boat. That is, if you want to travel by these four means, you have to choose one. And now we are here, and I'm going to choose autobus, that is bus. So, and in this place here, this is where the city where you are. You have to choose the city. For instance, me now I'm in Gaziantep city, so I choose Gaziantep. And down here is Istanbul. I'm going to Istanbul, and this is Istanbul Avrupa. This is the European side of Istanbul, and the date that I'm gonna travel. Actually, I'm gonna travel on, that is 27. And here you click on this to search for the tickets. Actually, the buses which are empty, you will find them here. So search for them. Just click on this. After clicking on this, it will bring you to this page here. This is actually the next page where you are going to find the buses. And these are the buses that they are having here. For instance, here we are having Jan Diyarbakir, there is Diyarbakir, there is this one Astor, and all these buses here, they are full actually. All these ones are full, and only this one here has some space, I think, but I don't want to travel at 3:30, so I need a bus that is maybe at 4 or 5 there, or 6. So right here there is a bus here, metro, and it costs that is 600 TL, and there are 2 seats which are empty. So this one's here. It's actually at 3:30, and I don't want to travel at 3:30, so let me go down and look for the ones which are at 4. There are some buses here also, like this one. It's also metro, and it's at 4:30, so I think I have to check this. And down here it's going to Istanbul, that is Esenler Otogar. It's going to Esenler Otogar. This is actually where I want to go, so let me check this. Okay, this bus here actually has that is a lot of seats. Like this blue mark shows that this one is occupied by boys, and the pink mark actually shows that these ones here, they are occupied by girls. And these white marks here shows that these seats are actually empty. For instance, these 2 and 3 and these ones behind here, they are actually empty. So I have to choose for me one seat among these ones that I'm going to sit on. So I'm choosing this one here, number 3. And I have to choose my gender, erkek, that is male. And coming down here now, I have to continue, click continue here. As it's loading, it's bringing me to the next page. And in this next page here, actually I have to write my details, my email, my phone number, my bank informations. Here I have to write them, and here I have to write my bank information here. So let me write them. So right now I have to enter a code here, and they have actually sent to me a code in my phone, and I have to enter it to confirm that I am the right person using that bank card that I have entered there, the bank information that I have entered there. So let me check my messages, and so this is the code. Let me
put it there. So this is the code that they have sent to me, and I have to approve it. So by clicking this, I'm actually approving that I'm the right person using the card information that I have used there. So this is the ticket actually. Gaziantep Autogar. This is Gaziantep bus station to SNR bus station on Wednesday at 4:30. That is it here. Estimated time is actually 20 hours and 30 minutes. This is it here. So I'm really gonna have a very long journey. This is going to be maybe a 20 hours journey from here to, that is, Istanbul. And this is it right here. So the only thing that I have to do right now is just maybe I can take a picture of it, or I can save it here, save to my passenger, or I can actually download a PDF of it right from here. So let me download the PDF. This is it. I'm downloading the PDF, and it has downloaded, so it's right here. And this is actually the final ticket. So that is it, and that is it. That's all about this video, guys. I thank you so much for watching this video right from the beginning up to now. I really do appreciate you. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and be part of the family. And if you have already subscribed to the channel, I salute you, and thank you so much for being part of the family, and I'm really glad to have you with me. So right now, that is it all. Thank you, guys.